This is a used 2013 Infiniti G37, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include leather seats, heated seats, a HomeLink system, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite radio, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature control, automatic climate control. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Roundtree Moore Ford Lincoln Mercury is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2588 West US Highway 90, Lake City, Florida 32055.